Hey there. Matt here, with a quick tip to get you started using Synthesia videos in Articulate Storyline. By default, when you put a video in Storyline, the player will stop and then restart your video when the viewer clicks on the screen. But it doesn't stop the timeline for the rest of your elements. What a mess. Let me show you how to instantly solve this problem, using hotspots. First, import your Synthesia video to Storyline. Then, build your elements and interactions on top of the video. Here's where the magic happens. When you've got everything lined up, add in a hotspot that covers the entire slide. This will block the viewer's click and keep the video from pausing. Remember, if you want your users to be able to interact with any of the elements, place those on top of your hotspot. Voila! Now your video plays smoothly, no matter where your user clicks. Follow us for more tips about using Synthesia in your e-learning development.